Kuringana na munini wa murugamiriri munene wa mehaririria maya guku bururi-ini Herbert Mochiro ni ekirite mukonde ati gicunji kia 7 harĩ 100 kia wira uria wagirirwo ni kurutwo kiharo-ini giki ni muriku, akiuga gugikinyia tariki 14 mweri wa 11 wira wothe ugakorwo uthirite.
So far we are on course and all we want is CAF to tell us there's no Morocco, there's no South Africa, Kenya, it is yours and we shall deliver this event.
Aki akiharo giki akuuma guku bururi-ini na nja ya bururi mararuta wira utuku na muthenya utigirira wira ni wakorwo urikite niguo Kenya igwatire kamweke ga gutabania mbitika ici mwaka twerekeire. Waki uyu utanyitwo kuhuthira kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 800 ungikarika. Miario ino yumanite na icera ria maabithaa aya kiharo-ini giki aria mekumagaritio ni murugamiriri wa CHAN Mohamed Khalid El Shwabi hamwe na mutongoria wa kiama kia mubira guku bururi-ini FKF Nick Mwendwa.
There will be 4 teams that will be hosted in Meru. We have identified the hotels, we have identified the training pitches, and now we are working on the venue to make it ready.
Governor wa ihinda riri wa kaunti no Kiraitu Murugi ni agathiririe itua ria kiama kia mubira ni gucagura Meru, akiuga ni mehariririe wega gukana mukira ageni.
We have been assured by the contractors that they will be ready for this event.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini, njĩtagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.